Hi guys, and welcome back to my first video in a long time. So, I've been away for way too long, and I decided, and my friends were telling me that I should post videos of me cooking. Today, I wanted to try frying something, and I was like, what's better than to try to fry potatoes, right? So I found this video on Instagram, and it's from Charisma PC. Oh my gosh, I saw this video and I was like, oh, I have to do it. I mean, I have to try it and try to make it. And so basically, it's these little flour potato things. Oh my god, doesn't that look so good? So yeah, she's doing the thing, she's boiling them, and then she's gonna mash it up, which I'm gonna try to do. And then she once she does that, she cuts them into little shapes. And I have a lot of little shapes at home, so I wanted to try to do all that. I don't know if I can do all that, but I can try. I went to Kroger, I got potatoes, russet potatoes, and then I didn't know if my house had cornstarch, so I got Kroger brand. For my seasonings, but yes, again, I'm gonna use salt, garlic butter, and onion powder. I don't know how that's gonna go. It smells good, so I'm hoping it will taste good. And as for my shapes, as of today is January 27th, and Valentine's Day, I'm gonna try to make heart-shaped French fry things. Oh, look at how cute this is. Oh my god, it was made for this. Okay, let me wash them and then I'll peel them on camera. Woo! These potatoes are gonna be I don't have a regular peeler. It's just gonna have these striations. It's gonna look like you know what, it looks like a really huge almond. It looks like an almond. Okay, whatever. And now I'm gonna get a knife. Boom.
Three hours later.
Always remember to pour it away from your face.
One eternity later.
I can just literally smash it with my spoon. Do I even need a potato masher? Now I'm wondering if I could put cheese in it. I love cheese. Maybe flatten it out. It's kind of still sticky. I don't know if it's gonna be able to do it, but I'm gonna try. Oh my god. That's a seasoning. How cute. How cute is that? Holy crap, wait. It's working. It's working. All right. Oh my god, they're so cute. You tell me this is not adorable. That was my stomach. I don't know if you heard that. Okay, guys. I'm suited up. All right. And I believe the oil is hot enough. I'm gonna take one. I'm gonna see if it's sizzling if I put it in there. Oh yeah, it's sizzling. This is what I'm seeing. I see it. Oh, ooh. Okay. Oh, okay. This is a journey that we're all taking together. Oh, they're sticking. Oh my god, wait, they're so cute. Wait. Why are they so cute? What? I'm cooking. I'm doing it. I'm frying stuff. Oh my god, wait, I'm so excited. These are so cute. Okay, so off camera, I was just like, what else I can do? What else can I do to make these potato hearts taste even tastier? So I put salt. I think I did it earlier, but I also put sugar. And so now it tastes salty and sweet. It's it's super good. Look at how cute these are. They're so cute.